Feeling a little, well, not so glamorous lately? Are your nails more like chipped disaster than polished perfection, and your hair more like bird's nest than beach waves? Don't worry, you'll find the best hair and nail care tips right here, which will make you feel amazing and violent from head to foot. Now that you have your favorite hair mask and cozy slippers on, be ready to discover the secrets to happy, healthy hair and nails that will leave everyone asking, wow, what's your secret? The first step is to identify the type of hair you have. Is your hair coily, wavy, curly, or straight? Is it oily, dry, thin, or thick? Understanding your hair type is important for selecting the ideal products and style techniques that suit you. Tip 1. Cleanse wisely. It's important to wash frequently, but don't overwash. Your hair may lose its natural oils if you wash it every day. Select a gentle shampoo designed for the specific type of hair you have. Don't forget to condition your hair from the midshaft to the ends for extra hydration once you've finished cleaning it. Pro tip. Use a clarifying shampoo once a week to get rid of product buildup if you have oily hair. For the other hand, use moisturizing shampoo for dry hair. Tip number 2. Get rid of it like a pro. The greatest thing for your hair is deep conditioning. Once a week, treat your hair with a healthy mask to hydrate, shine, and reduce dryness. This is especially essential for those whose hair is colored or curly. For added hydration, look for masks that contain nutrients like avocado, coconut oil, or shea butter. Tip 3. Go towards the power of heat shielding. Although heat styling is so much fun, it can harm your hair. Use a heat protective spray in advance if you must use heat tools. This reduces damage and protects your hair by forming a barrier between it and the heat. Tip 4. Cut off split ends. Your hair may seem frizzy and unhealthy if split ends are allowed to reach the hair root. Getting regular haircuts every 6 to 8 weeks is essential for maintaining healthy and happy hair. Discuss the ideal cut for your preferred style and hair type with your hairdresser. Bonus tips. Adopt the silk pillows. You may avoid breaking and frizz by using a silk pillowcase to lessen stress while you sleep. Compared to cotton, silk is softer to your hair, allowing it to keep moisture and its original texture. Let's now discuss those amazing nails. Indicators of general health may be seen in well-maintained nails, which extends above just appearance. Tip 1. Stop using harsh removers. To avoid drying out your cuticles and nails, stay away from acetone-based harsh nail polish removers. Choose a remover without alcohol. It is softer and less harmful. Tip 2. Moisturize your elbows to your fingertip. Your cuticles and nails require moisture, just like your skin. Apply nourishing hand lotion on a regular basis, and give your cuticles extra care by using cuticle oil. This keeps them from drying out or cracking and keeps them moisturized. Tip 4. Protect your nails while you slay. If you use gloves when doing housework, you may shield your nails from harsh chemicals and cleansers. By doing one easy tips, you may avoid damage, stains, and contact with harmful materials. Your hair and nails will feel like $1,000,000 thanks to these easy but powerful methods. Note that consistency is key. Develop these nail and hair care routines into a habit, and you'll notice a boost in confidence. Remember to share your craziest homemade hair mask recipe with me in the comments below. For more beauty tips and self-care inspiration, hit the subscribe button and join our community if you're prepared to accept your inner hair and nail beauty. Take care of your lovely self, inside and out, till the next time.